Garcinia cambogia is tropical fruit also known as the Malabar tamarind. It is a popular weight loss supplement and the latest on the market. Most people say, Garcinia cambogia can block your body's ability to make fat and it puts the brakes on your appetite. Loss of excess weight could help keep blood sugar and cholesterol levels in check for a better health. In today's video we will be sharing with you the 5 secret facts you didn't know about Garcinia cambogia. Before we get started, please consider subscribing for latest uploads. 1. Garcinia cambogia is grown in Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and parts of Africa. Its other names are red mango, Malabar tamarind, pot tamarind, brindleberry, gambuj, and cocoa butter oil tree. 2. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, Garcinia cambogia seeds have a 30% fat content and are sometimes used as a substitute for ghee, clarified butter, which is a common ingredient in Indian food. 3. Garcinia cambogia contains a compound called hydroxycitric acid, HCA, that may inhibit an enzyme that helps your body store fat. Theoretically, the fat would instead be burned as calories. 4. Allegedly, Garcinia cambogia can increase the levels of the neurotransmitter serotonin, a feel-good messenger in your body. This may enhance your mood and reduce stress-related eating. 5. Garcinia cambogia can be found in hydroxycut. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, issued a consumer warning in 2009 cautioning consumers to immediately stop using hydroxycut products after reports of jaundice and extreme liver damage in people who used hydroxycut surfaced. Other health problems associated with hydroxycut included seizures, cardiovascular disorders, and rhabdomyolysis. However, because hydroxycut contains many ingredients, it's difficult to pinpoint the cause. Common side effects of Garcinia include nausea, upset stomach, diarrhea, headache, dizziness and dry mouth, while serious side effects of Garcinia include mania, euphoria, delusions, overexcitement, very fast speech, decreased need for sleep, and irritability. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing, hit the thumbs up and turn on the bell icon so that you'll not miss any other videos from this channel.